Hi, I'm Kevin O'Brien from StorageReview, and today we're going to show you how to properly and safely ship a hard drive on a fairly limited budget. Shipping hard drives, we have to do that a lot with our giveaways. We give a lot of product out on Reddit and other areas, and through that, you're not always going to have proper bubble packs for hard drives, so sometimes you have to come up and improvise a solution. In this way, we've come up with a pretty good way to ship anywhere from individual hard drives up to large quantities using nothing more than a little bit of bubble wrap, an anti-static bag, and flat rate boxes, and of course some expanding foam. And this is the same foam that you'd get at a home improvement store such as Home Depot, and it's used for insulating purposes and air sealing, things like that, but it also works very well for protecting hard drives. So what we've done is put our 3.5 hard drive in an anti-static bag, and then we put a little bit of bubble foam around it just so it spaces it out from the sides. So you want to leave a little bit of a gap between the front, back, and sides of your hard drive. That way there's some room for the foam to move around, and of course on the bottom layer. And then we use a contractor gun, but you can also use the disposable ones if you need to. And it's as easy as 1, 2, and then a little bit at the top to brace the sides. And if you want it there. And here we will let it expand for a couple of seconds, and simply take off the tape on the box, or apply your own tape depending on the box you're using. In this case, we're using a flat rate small box. Close it up, and it is good to go in probably 5 to 10 minutes as soon as the foam cures. But that's an easy way to safely ship a hard drive, and we've done countless drives like this, probably over 100, and they've safely hit their final destination. And this way you can use, I think it's around $3 to $5 for a disposable can, which would probably fill up a pretty good sized box. Or in this case, we have the contractor cans, and each one lasts us probably 6 months or so, depending on the frequency of what we're shipping out. But that's all for today. Thanks.